Guys, if you spend a lot of time in meetings, you'll know the problem that I'm about to talk about. You're either trying to stay properly engaged in the conversation, or you're busy taking notes and hoping you haven't missed something important. And, well, doing both is actually quite difficult. Now, that's one thing when you're on your own, sitting at your own desk, but it gets even trickier when you're in group meetings, shared offices, or sitting around a table with multiple people talking. So today, guys, I'm taking a look at a piece of tech that claims it can handle the audio, the recording, and even the notes for you, whether you're working solo at home or running meetings with multiple people in the room. And what's really interesting here is when you pair this with something else, it starts to look less like a desk accessory and more like a ready-to-go meeting room setup. But the big question is whether this actually makes sense and it makes meetings easier in the real world, or whether it's just clever tech that sounds good on paper. So if you want to find out more and find out whether this could genuinely take some friction out of your meetings, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Sorry, I just spat some water out. Do apologise. Anyway, guys, this is the Insta360 Wave. Now, on its own, it's an AI-powered speakerphone designed for meetings, calls, and recordings, whether that's at a desk, at home, or in a shared workspace. Now, this uses a multi-mic array with AI processing to focus on voices, reduce background noise, and make sure people are actually heard clearly, even when they're not sitting right in front of you or right in front of their laptop. Now, it can also record meetings internally, handle transcription, and generate summaries, all those really good AI things that are coming to a lot of devices now. But that actually makes it so useful, because if you spend a lot of time in calls or meetings, this is going to be for you. But what's interesting is that by adding one extra piece to this setup, it completely changes how you end up using it. But you know what? More on that later. Now, before we get into it, guys, Insta360 did send this over for me to take a look at and to give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have. So guys, first off, let's open up the box. Inside, you've got the Wave itself. You've got a carry case, a USB-C cable, and a small wireless dongle. So straight away, you've got a few different ways to connect it, depending on how you're going to use it. Now, the carry case is actually quite nice. I mean, it's got a bit of padding, so you know what? It goes to show that this device isn't just about permanently living on your desk. You can actually take it out with you. So, taking a look around the Wave itself, and I have to say this feels really well made. Even though it's made largely from plastic, it doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels like a lot of thought has gone into the design, and you know what? It's meant to be used every day. It's got a nice bit of weight to it, and underneath there's a suction style base which helps to keep it planted on a desk or table. And once it's down, it doesn't feel like something that's going to get knocked over easily, which is important if it's sitting in the middle of a meeting. Now guys, around the body you've got the microphone array running all the way around, and this immediately tells you that this is designed for proper 360-degree pickup rather than just pointing one mic in a single direction. But the really nice touch is what happens when you interact with it. When you press the button, the top section rises up and you get this LED ring, and the controls are revealed underneath. I mean, It's a special thing, but a small thing. But you know what? It's actually so practical. That lift means it actually clears the top of a laptop screen if you're using it on a desk, but it also brings the controls online ready for you to use. And from here, you can control all of those AI features, recording and other functions directly on the device without having to dive straight into software. It's actually a very clever bit of design. It's functional, but also quite satisfying, and it immediately makes the Wave feel more like a piece of professional equipment rather than just another desk gadget. So guys, let's talk about what the Wave actually does day to day, because this is where it actually earns its place on your desk or it doesn't. At the heart of it is the microphone setup. Inside you've got an 8 mic array working together, which gives you proper 360-degree voice pickup from around 16 feet away. And that immediately makes a difference if you're not sat directly in front of a laptop or if you've got more than one person in the room. And what's clever is you're not locked into a single pickup style. You can change the microphone pattern depending on how you're using it. The default is Omni, which uses all 8 microphones to capture voices from every direction, and this is ideal for group meetings or people sitting around a table. Then guys, there's the cardioid and the supercardioid modes, which are more focused and work well if you're on your own at a desk, especially in noisier environments where, you know what, you want to prioritize your voice. Then guys, you've got figure of 8 mode for 2 people sitting opposite each other, and even a stereo mode if you want a bit more spatial separation. In practice, it just means that you can adapt it to the situation rather than hoping that one setting works for everything. And on top of that, there's AI noise reduction, and this is constantly working in the background to reduce things like keyboard noise, background chatter, fans, or general room echo. And the key thing here is that it's subtle. It doesn't sound aggressive or robotic. It just makes voices clearer and easy to listen to. Now guys, another big part of this is recording, and the Wave isn't just passing audio through to your computer. It can record internally as well. That means meetings can be captured directly on the device, even if you're not connected to a computer or if you're working offline. And once you've got those recordings, you can then generate transcriptions and summaries using the built-in AI tools. Now, it supports a huge range of languages as well, and you get a monthly allowance included, which is genuinely helpful if you're regularly in meetings and need a written record afterwards. And guys, this really ties back to the problem that we talked about at the start. Instead of trying to listen, take notes and stay engaged all at the same time, you can actually focus on the conversation, knowing that the audio and the details are being captured for you. On its own, as an audio device, it already feels like a solid, well thought out tool for meetings, calls and recordings, whether that's at home or in a shared office, or even on the move. So up to this point, everything we've talked about on the Wave is audio. And honestly, even just as an audio and recording tool, it already makes a lot of sense. But this is where things start to shift. If you add the Insta360 Link 2 webcam to the system, this stops it just being a smart speakerphone and turns it into something like a complete video conferencing system. The Wave becomes the center of the setup. It handles the audio and the recording and the transcription, and the Link 2 handles the video, framing and camera movement. Yes, framing and camera movement, because the Wave already knows where voices are coming from, and because of that, the camera can react to that in a really natural way. And what that means in practice is that you can sit in the middle of a desk or table, click the camera on top, and suddenly it works just as well for a single person at home as it does for a group meeting with multiple people in the room. And if you're on your own, the camera frames you nicely and it tracks you as you move. If more people are involved, it can shift focus to whoever's speaking without anyone needing to touch any controls or think about switching any shots. And that's the point where this stops feeling like a collection of clever features and starts to feel like a properly integrated system. You're not managing audio in one place, video in the other, and notes somewhere else. It's all working together. And now, you know what I know is how flexible it is. You could use this permanently on a desk in a home office. You could drop it into a shared workspace, or you could take it with you and put it in the middle of a table and instantly have a decent meeting without installing anything. So whether it's one person on camera or a small group around a table, this setup scales really naturally. And that's where the Wave and the Link 2 combination starts to make a lot of sense. So guys, there you have it. On its own, the Wave is a really solid piece of kit. The audio quality is excellent, the mic patterns give you flexibility depending on how you're working, and the recording and transcription features genuinely take some pressure off during your meetings. It already solves a real problem, especially if you're spending a lot of time on calls or trying to keep track of conversations afterwards. And where it gets really interesting is when you add that Link 2 webcam into the mix. That's when it stops being just a smart speakerphone and starts to feel like a complete video conferencing setup, something that you can use at home or drop into a room with multiple people and just get on with the meeting. And for the right kind of user, it could genuinely simplify how meetings and recordings and transcriptions and notes are handled day to day. And guys, at the time of this video going live, the Wave comes in at around £478, and that's the whole kit with the webcam, the Link 2 as well. I'll leave any links and any current offers down in the description so you can check out the latest pricing for yourself. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Insta360 for sending me this cool piece of kit to review. Look at that, just magnets on. Cool, isn't it? I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.